Half the night.
No, I'm saying you gonna get some ass because you coming home with food.
The dessert table right there too.
Where's that dessert table?
Right there.
Oh hell no! That's a dessert table.
Yeah.
No, there is not.
I didn't even get me those.
God, this is a buffet.
Angel's supposed to say some pumpkin.
A motherfucking buffet. Oh hell no! Look at this shit.
You said I don't know what kind of position you gonna be in. Like you gonna get some ass or you gonna get some head or something tonight.
All sorts of shit, bro. Now.
All sorts of shit because you bringing home food, huh?
You kidding, bro?
Mama ain't never lied. You bring home that bacon, you get all kind of shit, huh?
Maybe she'll be bringing up some of her friends too.
You think she?
Remember what I told you about yesterday? I'll be calling her up too. I got pumpkin pie.
Oh shit, she gonna let you fuck other women too, huh?
That's alright. We good. We good. Are these brownies?
I don't know. Whatever it is you think she might like, get some of it.
You're just laying it all over and like licking it off of her, man.
That's gonna be the most action y'all done had in a while too, ain't it?
We ain't had none of this shit in a while, bro.
Gotta love the holidays.
Well, hell no. What happened to my box? That's right. That's right. It's so stupid. I'm so stupid. That's right. That's right.
And then guess what?
Jerry, bro. Thanks, bro. That's right.